Good morning everyone, my name is John from the Life of Dave and John, and we are here sa Marusante. We took a taxi from our hotel going here, and it cost us 2,110 yen. So I guess it's pretty far from where we're staying kasi umalis kami sa pinaka-center, parang kung sa BGC man, parang lumipit kami sa Makati. Ganun. May labas. Ito yung mga ino-offer nila na pagkain. Mostly seafood rin kasi may nanay ko sa seafood. Kung hindi nyo pa nakuhulaan from our previous vlogs, ito yung inside. Wow! Wow! Okay. Ito pala yung kakatainan nila sa harap-harapan mo. Look at that! Ayoko tingnan nila, nakakatakot. Lumalabas yung kamay niya sa ano. Wala ko nang wala ko. Ito lang pala nila. So, pipili muna kami ng kakainin. Probably. Yeah. Pero ngayon, hindi naman sila masyadong like makalat dito sa seg. So, even if you wear your nice shoes, okay lang. Kasi I'm wearing my Converse here. And that is wearing Sambas. I think that's a snow crab. Ayun, may kamay ito na just poking out. You see? Ayun, the big boy. Marami dito. Left and right. Wow! So ito yung restaurant, tabi ng market. That's what we got. Already that's 12,000 yen. Wow. Here is the thank you. Look at all the hairs. Look.
Oh, the blouse of rice.
Weird. Oh. Ito naman is scallop fried rice.
Scallop?
Scallop.
Tama crab.
Scallop fried rice. We have crab miso. Okay, ulam po ngayon. So hindi ko rin po na tawag dito. Kasi may ulam po yun. Okay, so that's the restaurant right there, the one with the red sign. So we are just walking. The picture side is di ka kasama. So we're just walking towards the main road to see what we can find here. Okay, so this is Akapes. This is beside the main street right here. Puro ito pala sila. Parang yung pilihan natin ng isang araw. Or no, yung first day ata. Na puro seafood. Market type. Then, fresh catch. Papatid din sa harapan mo. Then, luto eh. Ganun. Ito. Just walking around the neighborhood. Yun yung main road. Behind us. We're looking for something sweet to eat. Para matakatulan sa bibig natin. At ang neighborhood dito? Muli po na daw nila mami dito. Sakura tree dito. Meron pa nga anting remnants eh. Ayun o. Siyempre. Kunti na lang. So ayun o. Sakura again. Kalat nga lang pag ano. Sakura. Alam niyo yung ano, may isang trending video na parang isang alley. Hindi man alley. Like isang parang itong kalapad na kalasada. Tapos yung tabi niya puro cherry blossom tree. Tapos humangin. So lahat na ng cherry blossom smooth sa mukha ng tao. We're going down the train station now. Ito mga masaya. Ayun o. It's windy here. Ba't ganun ang hangin dito sa ilalim? Pero sa taas naman hindi. Malamig tuloy. Akong jacket. After exiting the train to Miyanosawa, we take the exit 2. Wow! Buti na lang may Buti na lang may escalator. We said, yan. Take the exit 2 para makalabas sa ating destination. Now, we just got out of the Miyanosama station to go to Shiroi Koibito. Yan na. Shiroi Koibito. Look at the view, guys. Grabe. Okay, so ito na ang Shiroi Koibito Park. I'm entering the entrance. Yan. So now here is the entrance. Shiroi Koibito Park. Ticket center side over there. Yeah. Yung ticket counter nila. They have advanced reservation. Same day purchase, tapos may discount. Yung ticket nila. So you can pay via card or cash. They also give you free chocolate and parang history nila. Yeah. Dito pa lang may chocolate na. For chocolate history. Oh, that's why. That's why. Kinain namin doon. Sipag nila. Siyempre. Ito yung R&D process nila. Tignan mo. The size of the langke. Yung cookie, then size of chocolate. Ano right? Thickness pala. Ito sobrang kapal daw lahat. Sobrang nipis lahat. Ito, gitna. Ito naman yung size naman ng biscuits, pati size ng chocolate. Itong dalawa na naman. So ito yung paano nila nagawa na paraan yung ano, magkadikit yung cookie and yung chocolate. So pag pinipe hindi pwede. Kasi may inconsistencies na kulang. Tapos pag pinrest mo daw to masisira. Tapos ano naman, pag tunaw na, nag-overflow. So pag freshly baked yung cookies, lagyan sila ng block of white chocolate. Tapos dahil sa residual heat ng cookies, pag melt yan, dumidikit. Galing. Ang angle naman. Ang factory.
Ano yung ginagawa nito, baby? Collect ko na yan, no? Yan yung lengua.
Uy, hindi pala lengua. Ayun na mami yung tinatanong mo. Ano yung conveyor na yun?
Tinatanong mo lang.
Ayun ano, produced.
Collect ko na natin nakikita.
Baum ko siya ng cakes, tapos Shiroi Koibito cookies.
Yung pala yun, naikot ba?
Assembly nun, no?
Robotic arm. Robotic arm.
Okay. Patong na patong. In cargo, Shiroi Koibito can. Wow! In carrot gold.
Lagay yan?
Oh.
Tayo pala sa live.
1.7 kilos, oh. 29 million.
Hindi naman tayo
Concept making nila. Kinuha nila yung nagamit sila ng concept para sa kanilang cookies. So ito, bawal, hindi siya bawal. Sa Russia yung ganitong savory ginawang chocolate, bawal. Thailand, banana leaf. Ilalagay na banana leaf chocolate, bawal. Vietnam, yung wrap, bawal yung chocolate. Tapos ito naman, bawal. So ito naman, France. Ay, daliri ko. France, yan. Lang with the shot. Kung tama yung pagbigkas ko nun. Yan o, pinapump ko. Tigil siya, nung tumigil eh. Ayun yung huling pump. Wow. Pagod no. Gano'ng katigas ba ito? Pahila pala yung pump. Ayun, dumadami na naman. Okay. Ayun pala, meron sa taas. So they have a pizza making class here. So ito yung cafe section nila. May piano. Always chef plays by itself. Grabe 3 hands pare. Ito
Ang
na
hindi na itsura ni Shiroy Kobe. Dog yan. Nakaganon ito mo ito.
Oo nga. Ito yung buntot ng dog na pag ganun.
Mali. Ito yung uso. Ulo yan. Ang bobo. Ang bobo.
Grabe ka naman. Siyempre, sarili interpretation ng art.
Interpretation?
Oo.
Interpretation.
Okay, we have the set right here. We have Shiroy Kobe desserts. Dalawa. Ito yung isa ng cake nila. Topped with raspberry ice cream and frozen raspberries. Mixed berry pala ito. So ito yung cake na ginagawa nila sa baba. Ganda. Look at them! Okay. Wow.
Magical.
Thank you. Tinawara ka dati. Ganda niya. Okay. Ito masarap. Ito okay lang. Ano siya? Yeah, gusto naman. Ito naman souffle nila, masarap ang itong cream. Pero yung mismong pancake na okay lang din. Parang mas masarap pag yung...
Everything's masarap.
Yeah. Masarap. Ang pinakamasarap, ito.
Dense.
Ito ang pinakamasarap.
Masyado dense to
Gelato.
for... Masyado to dense. Actually, hindi siya sa plain.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yun.
Parang cakey siya.
Kaya nga eh.
Yeah.
Pero pancake.
Pancake siya. Hindi siya souffle. Kasi pag souffle pa.
Okay, so mag-exit na kami. Pinaka-get over dyan sa piano na to. I think this is the exit. May isa pa, wow! Ay, never mind. Salamin pala yun. Salamin pala yun. Okay, now as you're exiting the building, may nilagara ka muna. Parang history, something. First, so ito. Founding of an Ishiya Company, 1947. Oh, mali. Yan. Low price confectionaries. Transition to premium confectionery. Creation of Shiroy Kobe ito, na brand. Ayun. Story nila. With humble beginnings. Ano niya-renovate po itong Shiroy Kobe ito by 2019. May sports area din sila. Hindi ko na po, ano to? Hokkaido Console Sapporo. Ayun. Okay, now we're done inside. Diyan. Ayun yung labas niya. Looks very traditional. Pero pagpasok mo sa loob, maganda naman. Para mas modern yung loob niya. Baka kasi may factory, yun naisip ko kaya ganun. Pero yeah. Play area, may garden, may mini greenhouse. It's cute. It's kind of cute. So ito, na yung picture spots. And everything. Tapos meron silang kainan sa labas. Although, sarado siya ngayon. Kaya may juice pa naman. Tapos may ice cream. Oh well, what can we do? Now we're walking towards Book Off. Kaya may nadaanan kaming Honda dealership for motorcycles. Parang nasa ano kami, puro kotse area. Ganda. Although na ako alam sa motor. O silang alam ko. But they look good. Uy, may try-in. Where's the try-in? Wala. Triton. Ito expander. Pero hindi yan expander. It's a beautiful car. Oh, shit. My pare. Nanging Donald Duck bigla. Kaya Type R or hatch na Killenberg. No badging eh. Even still. Good.
Baka masumbang ka sa tinutag. Parang bibili sa sasakyan sa intersection.
Okay, now after approximately 15 minutes of walking, it was like 1 kilometer. Pero dire-diretso lang naman, so we're here sa Book of Super Bazaar. So it's like puro second-hand stuff, from clothes to shoes and stuff. Ito, Sociality thrift shop. They have Pokemon cards, Blu-rays, pack-size books, how-to books, business books. Wow! Game consoles and what, manga? Or is that a game? Kasi Fire Force eh. It looks like a game. Pero ito puro book stuff na. Pero dito sa men's section ng mga damit. Kapal ng damit. Bibigat. Hindi pa sa Pilipinas to. They have a golf, soccer, and fishing section. They have a music section, the camera section din. Pati consumer electronics. We also have 110 yen variety goods, pati mga glassware. More design pieces. Tapos ano to? Home electronics. Kitchen stuff. Home electronics. We also have collectibles. May hobby kayo ganito. Wow. Okay, so just across the street we have this udon restaurant. This looks promising. Yung menu nila guys. Ito yung place. Wow. Busy sila. Laki ng kitchen ha. Sa gitna yung kitchen. So yan ang offering nila. We have udon with tofu, udon with beef. Tapos yung classic na udon with beef 40 sa basket. Then udon na may egg. Ito naman sa taas. Ito yung udon na may yam. Udon na may fish. Ito naman udon na may curry. So yun lang kunin mo para may iba na. Ayan na. Yung chicken stations. Ito yung Maseno station. Yan. Authentic pare. After the udon part, we have the fried goods. Boiled egg, shrimp, squid, lotus root, fish cake, sweet potato, fish cake with seaweed, chicken tenders. Ano yan? Fried tofu. Tapos may onigiri pa. They have pre-portioned cheese para madali. So guys, so here's my meal. I have my curry udon. I have sweet potato tempura, squid, shrimp, pati crab stick na may seaweed. So may libreng rice. Tapos kasi ng tea. Nakaupo kami sa tatami mats.
Kasi yung finisher na yun.
After getting off the bus there, pasok sa building. Ngayon nakapila sila para sa bus. Pasok ko sa building to go to Miyano Sawa Station again. Yung bus na yon from the place we ate to here is 210 yen. So compared to trains, mas mahal siya syempre, pero okay lang. Kasi nilakad namin kanina, it's like 15 minutes. So sulit na din. Okay, so dito na naman tayo sa crepe place nung isang araw. Number 11 naman tayo yun guys. So we ordered 3 crepes and 3 drinks now. We ordered menu nila. Good morning everyone. So my name is John from Everyday with John and we are here sa shopping district. Look nice. Kahit kami dito. It's just a few steps away from our hotel. Ito kami sa BF yan. So stone grill, no, charcoal grill na resto. Ito yung okay. You need to go down first. Yan.